Traditional data security relies on trust, but organizations are now embracing zero-trust principles for users and devices alike. HP Anyware Trust Center is a policy engine that enables IT admins to manage and monitor secure endpoints, elevating the security for digital workspaces. Anyware Trust Center eclipses the traditional castle and moat network model, which permits everyone and their dog with network access to interact with everything in that network. IT then had the impossible task of managing sprawling networks of users who were trusted with more access and more information than they required. Anyware Trust Center flips the paradigm by implementing a zero-trust philosophy of never trust, always verify. Not great for personal relationships, but essential when it comes to securing your company's intellectual property. The zero-trust philosophy operates on the least privilege access model, which provides authenticated access only to applications and data needed by a user from a device that can be trusted. Zero trust means maximum security. After all, it only takes one small breach to create chaos in a castle. The first digital workspace solution to interface with Anyware Trust Center is HP Anyware, HP's enterprise software solution that can be deployed on virtually any infrastructure and keeps information secure and people productive, no matter where they are. So, exceptional digital workspace solution? Check. Support for modern zero-trust networks? Check. The only thing missing are endpoint devices worthy of the Anyware Trust Center. Enter Trusted Zero Clients. Trusted Zero Clients are the first endpoints to take advantage of Anyware Trust Center. What makes them trusted? Let's look at the journey a Trusted Zero Client takes from the factory to the end user. Zero clients are designed with no accessible storage, meaning nothing can be installed, deleted, or changed on the device. From the factory, the Anyware provisioning server checks the hardware and firmware, including the OS, BIOS, and Anyware client firmware. Then, each Trusted Zero client is stamped with its very own birth certificate via TPM 2.0, a trusted platform module that is soldered onto the motherboard. From there, they make their way across oceans and highways before arriving in the hands of your IT admin. Let's call her June. June is particularly impressed with how easy they are to set up and control. Once Anyware Trust Center is downloaded, June then powers up the Trusted Zero client, which is connected to the Trust Center at first time of boot. Anyware Trust Center validates the client against a variety of criteria, including its birth certificate, hardware information, and firmware. The Trusted Zero client then validates that the Trust Center is legitimate by checking its certificate against the HP Trust Center root CA, thus establishing mutual trust between the client and Anyware Trust Center. June then begins provisioning, onboarding, and registering trusted devices within her Zero Trust network, tailoring device security and trust policies to the needs of the organization. Once registered, a unique operational certificate is added, which allows the trusted client to be configured and managed by Anyware Trust Center. A digital twin is then created in the Anyware Trust Center, allowing it to be managed and monitored even when it's offline. The only thing left is for June to set up security policies such as restricted usage of certain USB devices before handing it off to the end user. Let's call him Bob. Bob then powers it up, logs in, and connects to his digital workspace, such as HP Anyware. June then goes back to her desk where she can monitor security policies in real time to ensure end users and Trusted Zero clients are adhering to the policies established by her team. Anyware Trust Center is peace of mind architecture. It protects corporate information while providing users the ability to access the information they need in a secure and monitored environment. Anyware Trust Center keeps your guard up so you can rest easy.